Hi friends, welcome. If this is your first time visiting, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping in. And today we are going to make some super easy, really fun bead pens. So I did a video showing these pens. Now this one here is a pencil and it is more solid. And then the pens have that more open area and the pencils are a little bit heavier. But I did a video that showed, the pens and the pencils, where I got them, as well as the beads. So I'll find that and I'll put it in the description in case you're looking for them to buy. And these are super inexpensive. They're super fun. They're super easy. I just sort of picked out what I wanted for my different pens. And look how easy this is. These are quick and simple. So these unscrew, so you can unscrew from the pen or you can unscrew from the cap, whichever way you want to do it. And then you just add your beads to it. Now this particular one, I did use a couple little filler beads, and these are just little wood beads from the Dollar Tree because my focal beads are smaller on this one. But what I have noticed on most of them, they hold, about 12 to 15 millimeter beads, and a focal bead tends to be what each one of them holds. So these are so fun. And the nice thing with this, you can just make whatever you want, and super cute, and they're really honestly inexpensive to make. So I have seen people make these to sell. I think these would be fun for like just little parties or just to have fun pens for your office, fun things for your kids to make. Good like teacher and friend gifts, super inexpensive. And, the most expensive part of these is actually like the focal bead, if you get an expensive focal bead. But these are really a few dollars to make, honestly. So a little later in the video, I will show you like the pencil part of it. But other than that, you don't need me talking through this. I'll put some music on so you can just see them being made. Again, the easiest project ever, but super cute. All right, listen, if you like the video, give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already done so, hit subscribe. And I'll see you later, friends. Bye.